Hey Dog Bros, Josh from Digiwoof here, and welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to be going over our Clicks integrations. And so to start us off, inside of our Clicks account, I am going to go into Settings, and we're going to scroll down and find Integrations. And to start with here, you are going to sign into any relevant Google account you may want to connect to Clicks. So for one, this will be any Google Calendar that we'll want to connect. And then we'll also want to make sure that we connect our Google Business account as well. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and sign in with Google. At this point, I am going to sign in with whatever relevant account, and please know you can sign into multiple accounts. I'm going to go ahead and choose my test one here, and then I'm going to just click through and continue. I'm going to allow, and if this is the account that you have connected to your Google Business, you'll be able to pick the account you want to connect. Okay, so now that we are connected, I am going to go ahead and refresh the page, and we can see that we are now connected. We'll want to make sure that we connect our Facebook and Instagram account here. This will allow us to use our messaging features as well as our automated comment to DM features. And so I'm going to go ahead and connect, and it will prompt you to sign into Facebook before you get to this page. So you'll go ahead and sign in and accept. And then you'll go ahead and select your Facebook page. From there, you will also select a Instagram page as well. And if we move on from our social media accounts, if you have a QuickBooks account, you can connect to share data. And then we would recommend using Stripe as our payment. Currently, we do have more integrations as far as payment goes on the way. So you'll go ahead and connect to Stripe. We do have PayPal and Authorize.net. Stripe will be the most versatile currently as far as financing, subscriptions, and refunds. So we'll go ahead and connect to Stripe. And in a future lesson, we will actually connect our Stripe account. So if we make it back into settings and our integrations, if you have a Shopify store, you can connect that as well, and your TikTok account. And if you have any issues at all connecting your integrations, please reach out to our chat support staff to get assistance. And in the next lesson, we're going to be diving into your profile, where we'll be your calendar connections, your email signature, and more.